So our analysis for the week on our USD card, we will be doing our analysis starting from our daily time frame. Now we can see on our daily time frame, we can easily see that our price has actually been ranging for a while since August 2021, since July 2021. This month will make it a year. Our price has actually been ranging. We can easily get the top and the bottom, as we can see it here. Our USD, once it gets here, it falls. Once it gets here, it also pushes up. Now we can see that our USD has actually gotten to the top here. We see this liquidity area here where we had a breakout. Our price fell down, come to this our low point here, which is our support. Now our price has pushed up to hit this our previous highs here, right? Liquidity area here. One thing is that we are aiming for a short again, and we've actually starting to get that fall on our daily time frame. As we can see, we saw a pullback, right? A fall. We've gotten a retracement, and now we are actually on a fall for the week, breaking our previous lower lows. Do you now see? We are aiming to break our previous lower lows for the week, for this week, by the way. So our USD to our JPY is a legitimate fall. As you can see again on our DXY, I've done analysis on our DXY. You can watch that video so you'll be able to understand it better. Our DXY for the week would actually be falling. So that means our USD against our card should actually be falling for the week. Now on our 4-hour time frame, we can still see it, highlight it, a rejection, a fall around this area here. So definitely we can see our price here going to be reacting here. I believe our price is reacting and definitely on a fall. So above all for the week, we are actually aiming to go for, let's see if we can grab about 100 pips to 150 pips for the week. Let's see if our price can actually hit here for the week, which is about 1.286. We are currently trading at 1.29. Let's aim to hit at 1.28 plus. So that is about 100 pips to go. If you can short your USD to our card to this area here, you will probably be grabbing 100 pips. And if you continue to go lower, that should be about more pips to grab. So our advice, try and short your position to around 1.28 and opt out on our USD card. So that is the analysis for the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.